this week for content. You will be building a plane for this week's STEM challenge. You are to make a paper airplane that can carry cargo and glide across the room. So by carry cargo, I mean weight, stuff. It has to carry items as it flies. So your job is to create a paper airplane that will glide at least 12 feet if you have a room that size. If not, just the largest room in your house. When you throw it, it should start gliding, so you shouldn't have to throw it super hard. And your cargo can be paper clips or pennies or something else similar that you can tape on the airplane so it can carry those. So you're going to need paper to make the airplanes, paper clips or pennies or some other small weights to serve as your cargo, tape so you can attach the pennies or the weights to the plane, not to help make the plane, just to attach the weight. And I will post a few how to make a paper airplane videos for you so that you have some research. So today, Monday, you're going to watch the videos if you want. You're going to start creating an airplane. Tomorrow, you will answer some questions from me and record your airplane flying if you have somebody who can record. So tomorrow, you'll be explaining your approach to this challenge, drawing a diagram. So essentially, tell me what you did and why. Why did you choose a specific type of airplane? Why did you choose to tape your pennies in specific places? Next question. How did you do? What were the results? So, did you make it? Did your plane fly? Did your cargo stay on the plane? Might be another question to answer. How would you grade yourself on a scale of 1 to 10? 10 being the best. What would you do differently next time? And then please skip the last question. I'll try to remember to block it off on the assignment before I post it on Seesaw. So answer these questions, post a video of your plane tomorrow, use the rest of the time today to build, and I will post these slides on Seesaw tomorrow for you to respond to. Let me know if you have any questions.